So you understand the fundamentals of animating, but you don't know how to apply them to more complex animations. Not a problem. If you ever get lost in animation, always go back to the basics, because complex animations are just a bunch of little animations put together. There are times when you have multiple king frames. Sometimes the king frame of your animation is the windup for your next attack. There's really no such thing as rules that you can never break in animating, but here is a tip that can help you clean some things up. Think of animation in terms of direction and momentum, because real life movement has nothing to do with keyframes. Actual movement is the result of transferring energy into momentum, and that's the point that I'm trying to make here. Take this up air landing animation for example. I wanted her to land on the ground and bounce up Jackie Chan style, and if you take a look at all the keyframes, you can see that it doesn't exactly follow the traditional wind up, king, and cooldown frame rules that you're familiar with. There's quite a few keyframe clusters here, but there are only 2 extension frames. One when she lands to bounce up, and one more when she lands a final time. All of the other keyframes seem to lead into each other, but these 2 lead into extension frames. And the reason for that is because there are only 2 points in the animation where the momentum changes direction. The animation starts off in the air heading down, but in the middle of the animation she's bouncing back up to flip over, which means that at some point the direction of her momentum had to change. And that is what extension frames are really for. They mark a stop or change in momentum. You can see that we added one more extension frame at the end of the landing, and that is in order to signal the change in momentum from landing down and returning back up to idle. Extension frames don't have to come behind every keyframe. They just appear to mark changes in momentum direction. Anyway, hope that helps. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.